There's a certain romance to travel when it's done well. Not just getting from A to B, but enjoying the details and making every journey an art form. DS Automobiles have always believed that travel should be more than just functional. It should be expressive, immersive, and pay close attention to detail. The No.4 range sits at the heart of that philosophy, a premium compact hatchback that blends creative French design, refined comfort, and cutting-edge technology, but crucially offers drivers every option on the electrified journey, from the fully electric e-Tense to the plug-in hybrid to my drive for the day, the hybrid. A first step into electrified driving, wrapped in a striking form. The DS No.4 doesn't blend in. Its muscular stance and sculpted lines create a sense of motion, giving the whole car a dynamic poise. Up front, an eye-catching V-shaped light signature surrounds the illuminated grille and DS logo, as well as LED matrix vision headlights that aren't just beautiful, but they actively adapt to driving conditions and can even see around corners. At the rear, smoked chrome scale effect lights add another layer of texture, while the 19-inch Sevilla diamond cut wheels improve aerodynamics and help maximise the range. This combination of exterior features is confident and refreshingly non-conformist. Today, we're bringing the art of travel to Britain, taking the distinctive No.4 hybrid for a drive, starting here at the charming Fernthorpe Hall on the edge of the Peak District. And our destination is a place where craftsmanship also deeply matters, the Diamond Awl Leather Workshop. Come with me. One of the things that makes the DS No.4 range genuinely special is choice. Every model offers a different way into electrification, so you can select the powertrain that fits your lifestyle while still enjoying the same elegance and excellence. The hybrid we're driving today pairs a petrol engine with a small electric motor, working seamlessly together to improve response, refinement and efficiency. At 54.3 miles per gallon and lower CO2 emissions than an equivalent petrol-only car, it's a smart and accessible introduction to electrified driving, which I'm about to experience. Step inside and the design story continues. Every surface feels intentional. The materials are rich and tactile, from the Napa leather upholstery to the beautiful pearl stitching to the embossed Clou de Paris inserts. And what's more, the ambient lighting flows gently through the cabin, creating this calm and welcoming atmosphere, one that can be fully personalised too. DS have embodied the artistic vision that's dear to the brand and combine this with the most advanced technology to give you a connected and original driving experience. The high-definition central screen is seamlessly integrated, while the invisible air vents quietly maintain comfort without interrupting the design. The screen houses the DS Iris system, which acts as your in-car personal assistant, using natural voice recognition, integrating SoundHound AI, powered by ChatGPT. So navigation, climate, media is all handled conversationally, and all that key information is displayed safely in your line of vision through the extended head-up display. Let me show you. Set the temperature to 20 degrees. Pretty clever. Out here on the flowing Peak District roads, the No.4 really comes into its own. The handling is agile and reassuring, and that hybrid system effortlessly blends the electric assistance with the petrol engine, offering quiet refinement or extra urge when you need it. The technology here is intuitive and the design is thoughtful. It's a space intended not just to transport you, but to revive you, turning every drive into an experience. My destination is a place that resonates with that same philosophy. I'm about to meet Jason Stocks-Young, whose work is defined by detail, precision, and a deep respect for materials, taking people on a journey through his products. He's the founder of Diamond Awl Leather Workshop, which sits within this historic mill, and I cannot wait to see some of his creations up close. Much like the DS No.4, every detail here has purpose. From hand-cut leather to traditional saddle stitching, this is craftsmanship that values the finer details. So tell me about some of the pieces that you create here at the mill.
Okay, so I'll start with this. It's one of the first kind of commissions I actually had when I started leatherwork was this bag, and it was really primarily to think of like an overnight weekend bag, but it looks really nice. Even little details like this where you just throw your umbrella in when it's a bit wet, it really encompasses what I try to design and think about when I'm working with leather. That you've got a really nice form and function, but it's beautiful and it's really nice to hold and use. And look at something like this bag here, which is based on an old saddle bag. You've got double stitching with a piece of leather inside. To me that looks beautiful and you don't see that every day. But I also have a different kind of approach to leatherwork where through COVID I was looking at things that I could use. So one of the things was a leather bin that I came up with, and it works really well that you've got a lovely wooden base, lovely kind of stitching, cross stitching here, little brass fixings, really nice accent fixings with it, but something you just carry around really easily.
Yeah. I mean, that's
crazy.
Beautiful for a bin.
Yeah.
So in your opinion, Jason, is it possible to find expression and inspiration in everyday objects?
Oh, absolutely. I do all the time. You can take anything. So for instance, something like, I don't know, bulldog clip, you know, what you see an everyday object. But if you kind of turn it kind of that way, what do you see now? A bag?
A bag, yeah. Yeah, okay. So what is it that you're creating here in front of us?
So I'm just working on a kind of classic tote bag. Love the idea of a really nice quality leather, but very quite simple. You know, strip away all the kind of frills, and it works for me really well. I've sold quite a few of these, and people seem to like them, especially when they hold the handles, which is what I'm working on now. There's nothing better when you're holding a really nice handle of a bag and you've just got a really nice connection to it. You know, I think it's great.
So why does that attention to detail matter so much to you and your work?
I like to have a really nice, finished, beautiful product. I like who I am doing leather work, so I want to, makes me a better person. So I want to do the best I possibly can. I'm always learning new techniques, different ways to design or create something.
So it's about the feeling that it gives you, but also what do you hope people feel when they look at or touch your products?
I've always said that one of the best things you could give to somebody else is time. They, you know, knowing that these take time to stitch, because it does take time, but obviously when they've received it, that connection of, oh, this feels really good. And that connection and that journey they go on with that itself, you know, I'm on that journey with them because they've got my products. I think it's really important. It's important to me anyway.
Yeah. So what does the word craftsmanship mean to you?
Ooh, beauty, elegance, timeless, quality. It's such a widely used word, but I kind of stick to them kind of foundations, and it works really well.
Yeah, you can really see the care and quality that's coming through in your work. It's been wonderful to see. Thank you so much for welcoming me. It was lovely to meet you.
You too.
Thanks so much, Jason.
Thank you. Thank you.
There's a shared mindset at work here, where beauty comes from care and quality is a feeling, delivering character, creativity and craftsmanship. The DS No.4 Hybrid encompasses all those thoughts. It's more than a car, it's a pure expression of DS automobiles, transforming every journey into an experience and making travel a true art form.